Every day, thousands of box trucks hit the road, delivering the backbone of our economy. And behind each one is a business, often a small, aspiring enterprise built on dreams and hard work. But the statistics don't lie. Many fail. And for box truck businesses, the silent killer isn't just competition or economics. It's safety. Are you running a box truck business or thinking of starting one? This video is for you. We're going to dive into the top safety reasons why many box truck businesses, unfortunately, don't make it. Understanding these pitfalls can help you avoid them and build a thriving, safe, and successful operation. Let's get started with the first critical reason. The first major reason box truck businesses fail from a safety perspective is neglecting driver qualification and oversight. Inadequate driver training is a direct path to accidents, injuries, and ultimately, business failure. Your drivers are your front line, and their skills directly impact your safety record. Beyond initial training, ongoing oversight ensures drivers are consistently adhering to safety protocols and regulations. Without this, even experienced drivers can become complacent. Reason number 2 for box truck business failures is poor vehicle maintenance practices. This isn't just about saving money. It's about lives and your business's very existence. Neglecting regular inspections and timely repairs is a recipe for disaster. Small issues can quickly escalate into major breakdowns, leading to costly delays and dangerous situations. Equipment failure on the road not only puts your drivers and others at risk, but can also lead to significant fines, damaged cargo, and a ruined reputation. Finally, reason number 3 is ignoring proactive DOT compliance. Department of Transportation regulations are not suggestions. They are mandates designed to ensure safety. Failing to follow DOT and other safety regulations can lead to severe consequences. These regulations cover everything from driver hours to vehicle weight and inspections. The penalties and fines for non-compliance can be crippling for a box truck business, often leading to operational shutdowns, legal battles, and permanent damage to your financial health. So there you have it, the top 3 safety reasons why box truck businesses fail. To recap, neglecting driver qualification and oversight, poor vehicle maintenance practices, and ignoring proactive DOT compliance are the silent killers of many promising ventures. So what's the takeaway? The road to success for a box truck business is paved with safety. Investing in driver training, adhering to strict maintenance schedules, and making DOT compliance a top priority aren't just good practices. They are the pillars that prevent failure and build a sustainable, profitable future. For more in-depth insights into DOT compliance, fleet safety, and strategies to protect your business, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for ISC safety. Let's build a safer, stronger trucking industry together.